So today I'm gonna go get my hair cut. It's been 2 years. I want to like get it chopped nice and short because I have this undercut part in the back. I kind of want to cut it all to that length. Also just wanted to say I'm probably gonna get it dyed because oh my god, grad school has given me so many gray hairs. Okay, so first I tone my face, then I take D3, B6, and iron. Next, I scrunch my hair with some argan oil, scrunch, scrunch, then I tie it back, and then I take B12 and an allergy pill. Then I moisturize with SPF, brush my teeth, floss, and then use some mouthwash. Okay, so it's kind of old. Okay, so we got my green smoothie with banana instead of mango, unfortunately. And I'll take a probiotic before I eat my breakfast, and then I'm just gonna sprinkle some nutritional yeast on this bagel. I think the banana's kind of growing on me. I still don't think I'll eat bananas whole, but in smoothies, like I said, they're not bad. I just had my tea, and I've got my mismatching socks on. So yeah, I'm all ready to go. Time to go to the gym.
Huh? This is where my slice of bread would be.
Oh.
If we had any.
So I nearly had a crisis where he knocked out my ear. But it's fine, it's back in, we're all good. Ah, it's so short. Oh, I'm so cute. I added some fishnets to my look to be more edgy. Huh. Describe your outfit. Oh. It's a fuse.
What is the green flag?
So oh, you destroyed it.
Ah. Stop.
Track is 6.174 kilometers. 27th, of course, the one who proved to be a mighty pickle for the world champion last year. 3 compound tyres.
Oh, okay, Google. Turn off all the lights.
Again? No, I mean,
Got it.